So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on power options on the top. On the left hand side, click on choose what the power button does. And then select change settings that are currently unavailable. For you, it should be saying turn on fast startup. You want to untick that box. Again, on your screen, if it does say for you turn on fast startup, you want to untick that box and then click on save changes. For the next step, go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in SFC space / scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, you want to type in DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Once you complete both those scans, just restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.